Hello and welcome to the Cubanas TV, a news channel that keeps you updated on everything going on in the country. Here's the news headline for today. Just in, President Tinubu falls while climbing Truçk to give presidential speech on Democracy Day. Hello my people, this is the news for today. As we've heard that our amiable president Bola Ahmed Tinubu fell while climbing Truçk to give presidential speech on Democracy Day. Let us listen to the news in full. President Tinubu falls while climbing Truçk to give presidential speech on Democracy Day. The Genius Media Nigeria report President Bola Ahmed Tinubu missed his step and fell while trying to climb a truck on his way to give his speech in celebration of June 12 Democracy Day in Abuja. In a video cited by this publication, the president was seen climbing when suddenly missed his steps and fell. However, he proceeded to give his speech afterwards. Hello my people, this is the news for today. As we hear and see that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu fell while climbing the stage to give the speech on June 12, Democracy Day. But nevertheless, it was recorded that he continued and gave the speech afterwards. He was not discouraged by whatever reaction that might have been on the face of Nigerians. My people, this is the news for today. What do you think about this news? This news has been flying around that the president fell on his way to give speech, and a lot of videos, a lot of skits has been made from this event, this tragic event. A lot of speculation were also made. Some says that he fell due to the fact that he's not healthy, that he's probably sick and trying to just manage himself. Some say that he actually missed a step that is not related to any health issues, and there are a lot of speculation going around in the country saying that this our president himself, he will soon die, and a lot more. But then, after the fall, he went straight to give his speech on Democracy Day. He was still able to give his speech and he was not trembling afterwards. So it might really be that he missed his step and not that he's actually sick and could not stand his full ground. It was a sad event, but then Nigerians turned the situation around. You know how Nigeria is and how we like to joke with everything and play with everything. We don't take anything serious. I guess that's our adaptive system where we just joke about the hardship, talk about the bad things, and just focus on the good things that could come out of it. Anyways, I'm glad that the president Tinubu is okay and is well, that he was not sick, and actually it was just a misstep. But it does not stop controversial conversations from flying around the country. In less than 10 minutes of his fall, the entire Nigerians were aware that the president, the almighty President Tinubu, had fallen. For some people, they were very happy because some of them have him in his mind. But in any way, we are grateful that our dear President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is fine and doing well. Here's the news for today, my people. Let me know what you think about the fall of Tinubu. What are your thoughts? What are your observations? And what are your opinions on this news? Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and most importantly, if you are yet to subscribe to the Cubanas TV, do that now so that you can be updated on all the news and all the territory happening in the country. Thank you for listening.